Hi, I'm Emmanuel, and I create videos to help you ace IT certifications. If you're preparing for the AI 900 exam, don't worry. I've got you covered with a clear breakdown of the exam, study materials, and expert tips. Let's dive in. The Azure AI 900 Fundamentals exam is an entry-level certification from Microsoft, designed for beginners who want to understand AI concepts and how they are implemented using Azure. Here's what you need to know. Exam format, multiple choice questions, duration, 60 minutes, passing score, 700, 1000, cost, $99, and no prerequisites required. This exam tests your knowledge of fundamental AI and machine learning concepts, Azure AI services like Azure Cognitive Services, machine learning, and bot services, real-world AI applications, and ethical considerations. Why should you get AI 900 certified? If you want to explore AI without diving into deep coding, this is the best place to start. This certification helps you build a strong AI foundation without technical experience. Boost your resume for AI-related job roles. Gain hands-on experience with Microsoft's AI tools. How to prepare for the AI 900 exam. Follow this step-by-step plan to pass on your first attempt. Study the official Microsoft AI 900 exam guide. Download it from Microsoft's website to understand the key domains. Focus on topics like machine learning models, natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. Take an online course platforms like examshome.com, offer beginner-friendly courses tailored to AI 900. Check out examshome.com for reliable practice tests. Practice with Azure AI services. Sign up for a free Azure account and try out services like Azure Machine Learning Studio, Azure Bot Service, and Cognitive Services. Top tips for success. Focus on real-world AI applications. Microsoft loves scenario-based questions. Learn the basics of machine learning models and responsible AI principles. Take at least 3 to 4 practice tests before scheduling your exam. And that's how you can pass the Azure AI Fundamentals AI 900 exam and kickstart your AI journey. With the right strategy, anyone can pass this exam, even with no prior experience. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more certification tips.